My English teacher, Andrea Verona. Basic English. How do you feel? Let's talk about feelings and possible reasons why do you feel this way. I feel angry. Sometimes people feel angry because they were treated unfairly about the services. This could be phone services, gas services, any type of services. About a job. Maybe the job is more than you signed for. I feel sleepy. Maybe because the medicine was too strong, or you stay up late working, or you had a lot of drinking the night before and you feel very sleepy the next day. So you feel hangover. I feel worried. Sometimes we feel worried about money or a family family member that's not feeling well or is not doing well. This could be a mother, somebody very close to you. You feel worried about the future, or maybe you worry about your grades. You might not getting good grades this year, and maybe your parents might not be happy, or you feel that you're gonna fail whatever it is that you have, your goals. You feel like that maybe you're not gonna be able to accomplish that. So maybe you're worried because you might fail. I feel dizzy. Could it be because you're spinning too fast? Or because the weather is very hot? Or you bump your head? I feel tired. Sometimes we feel tired because we work long hours, or you drove a lot during the week, or you went to the gym and you push it so hard and that's why you're tired. So the gym was intense. But sometimes we feel tired when we are getting a cold. Your body shuts down. I feel happy. Well, many people will feel happy if you won the lottery, or if you're going on a holiday. Sometimes you get very happy when you get a new car that you always wanted. But you also feel happy when you graduate, when you finally finish your high school, or when you finish a university or college. I feel calm. Sometimes we feel calm when your mind is empty. Sometimes you feel calm and relaxed when you listen to a nice music. Sometimes you feel calm when you don't have any worries, when you make them disappear. I feel hungry. We do feel hungry if you eat salad, just salad throughout the day. Or if you skip breakfast, you get very hungry at lunchtime. Some people do feel hungry when they're fasting.